In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add age restrictions to your Shopify store quickly and easily. This is especially important if you sell age-restricted products and need to stay compliant. So let's get started. First, head over to Elf site and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Catalog and use the search bar to search for age verification. From the results, choose the age verification widget and click on it. Next, browse through the available templates and pick the one that best matches your store design. After selecting a template, click Continue with this template. Now set the minimum age requirement for your store, such as 18 or 21 depending on your business needs. After that, choose your preferred verification method. You can use a simple yes or no confirmation or a date of birth input. You can also customize the pop-up by editing the colors, text, and branding so it matches your Shopify store. Once everything looks good, click Publish. If prompted, select the free plan and continue. Elf site will now generate a code snippet for your widget. Click Copy Code. Now head back to your Shopify admin dashboard and click Online Store. Next, click the three dots beside your active theme and choose Edit Code. In the search bar, type theme and open the theme.liquid file. Scroll down and paste the copied code just above the closing body tag. After pasting the code, click Save. Finally, click View Your Store to test the pop-up and make sure the age restriction appears correctly for visitors. And that's it! Your Shopify store now has an age verification pop-up fully set up and ready to help protect your business. Thanks for watching and happy selling.